Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a good letterhead design using Canva for your business. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva, and here you can simply click on create and then you can simply search for letter. Okay, and as you can see, the portrait letter head as well as letter portrait is over there, right? So whatever you like, you can simply select it. Okay, so I have selected the letter portrait, and here you can design the letterhead by own as well, right? So here I'm just searching for the header, right? Okay, and here there are lots of graphics available, and you can select any of the good graphic which you want, right? So I've selected this one, and you can simply change the position of this header, and you can place it on the top, as well as you can again select it and flip it horizontally, right, and flip it vertically, and then you can place it over here, and you can write your matter or text in between the header and footer, right? You can choose any other design as well, right? So for example, I have just chosen this, and then you can place it in the footer. You can also search for some good footer graphics by searching in the elements, the footer, right? You can click on add page as well, and here you can simply search for letterhead in the templates, right? I have searched for letterhead, and as you can see, there are lots of templates available. You can simply edit the text and you can create a good letterhead for your business. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.